What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I'm the owner of Tiny House of Vintage, and today I wanted to show you my haul that I got of all the items that I thrifted when I was in Florida. And my family took a trip to Florida for a week, and I got to go to, I think, 4 Goodwills, and I just wanted to do a little thrift with me when I was down there, and at the end I will show you my haul. So let's get on with the thrift with me. thing I got was this Garfield tee. Here's the label. All these t-shirts are single stitched on the sleeves. And this one's dated 1978, so that's really cool. There's nothing on the back. Is this really cool graphic, Sanibel Island. Here's the tag. There's nothing on the back. Single stitch. I got this seahorse graphic, like crop top kind of t-shirt. Here's the label. And there's the seahorses on the back. That was really cute. This is a Philadelphia t-shirt. The tag has been cut out, but it is single stitched. There's nothing on the back. I just really love the graphic, and I grew up outside of Philadelphia, so it's funny going to Florida and seeing a souvenir tee there. This is like a raised print graphic. It's Arizona t-shirt. This is the vintage anvil tag. Again, single stitched. Just thought this was a really cool graphic. Love the rainbow color. This is a vintage. This is the a vintage label from, and they made this label, the silver one, from 89 to 93. So this is just a really cool windbreaker jacket. It's a size large. I just really like this. It's in really good condition. I got this Polo Ralph Lauren vintage V-neck pullover sweater. I like the like it's a sweatshirt material. It's fuzzy. Just love the lines, the navy and the red. Just a classic sweatshirt. This is a vintage Disney Donald Duck pullover sweatshirt. This is a tag. I've never seen this tag, so I had to do a little bit more research. It says made in the USA. This is either 80s or 90s, early 90s. Has no date on it. I kept going back and forth whether or not I wanted to get this because it has the bleach spots. I think I might do like a DIY and bleach, do like tie-dye bleach thing on it or dipped. This is a vintage jerseys tag. Love this tag. And it dated 80, I believe 88. And I had to look this up, and this is a souvenir sweatshirt from Michigan. I love the sailboat. Reminds me of like Saved by the Bell. It does have like the bleach spots on it, but I couldn't leave it behind. I just liked it. This is a vintage Fort Meyers hoodie. It was from the 90s. There's the tag. I just love purple. I thrifted this in Fort Myers at one of the Goodwills. And this is another pullover. Here's the label. It's like a embroidered, kind of like a quilted feel to it, like with the graphic. It's a lighthouse. Just love this. They just don't make sweatshirts like this anymore. An embroidered dress. It's just beautifully made. I believe this is from like the 60s or 70s. There's no label or anything. No size label. I have found a top that looks like this, and it's in black. It's in my closet right now. But I just love this because it's all hand embroidered. You can tell like there's a few like pen marks where you can see where they made the design and then they embroidered it. It's just amazing. And it's a maxi dress length. It has the embroidery on the back. And it's like the cotton fabric. I just love dresses like this. This label's, I believe, from the 80s, or I believe from the 90s, the Sprint. It might be from the 80s, not 100%. I just love the floral print of this. It's buttoned down the front, and then not all the way, it's just half buttoned. And it's like a midi dress. Just love the floral print. It's in good condition, zips down the side. This is a dress from the 90s. It's like a patchwork print feel. Buttons halfway. And then I believe this is like a midi maxi dress, depending on how tall you are. Just love the print. The patchwork detail prints are big for spring. This is a dress from the 70s. It has the flutter sleeves. I just love the romantic print. I did notice that it has like a little cigarette, looks like a cigarette burn hole right here. I'm sure you can patch it. Just couldn't leave this behind. It's kind of sheer. It does need a slip. I just thought this was so sweet. So this is the last item that I found. It's like a midi dress. It's 100% silk. And this is a designer from the 80s. When I looked up comps on this, some of these dresses are selling online for like $600. So I just love the print. Love like the sleeve, puff sleeve detail. It's like a polka dot floral. It's in good condition. I couldn't leave this behind. I thought it was really cute. That's everything I got on my trip to Florida. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And please comment down below what your favorite item that I thrifted was. Love to hear your guys' opinions. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.